I'm Dr. James Markham with your Biblical Prescription for Life. Many suffer now from upper respiratory infections. These are usually caused by viruses. Our biblical prescription for life is found in 2 Peter 1, verse 7. To godliness, brotherly kindness, and to brotherly kindness, love. Did you realize that acts of kindness help improve our body's immune system? Helps us make oxytocin and things that help us ward off infections. So just acts of kindness like smiling, a helping hand, a kind word, helping someone in trouble or in danger, these help improve our own immune system. So to lower your risk of having an upper respiratory infection, try practicing acts of kindness everywhere you go and make a stronger immune system. I'm Dr. James Markham, and this is your Biblical Prescription for Life.